This morning, atong ibida ang lamian, ang juicy kayo ug ang gikahinamang on-the-go food sa mga Sugbuanon, ang bucket shrimps. Ug Shrimpre, atong makauban ang prawn star creator nga si Mr. Chad Regner.
Good morning. Can you smell what the prawn star is cooking? Welcome to Bucket Shrimp Wharf. Hashtag Bucket Shrimp Wharf.
Karong buntaga, gusto na mo masayran, Sir Chad, how did you start bucket shrimps? O say istorya behind bucket shrimps?
Okay, 10 years ago, I decided to stay for good. So we started this in my lola's garage.
Wow.
With a 50,000 startup seed money. And then fast forward, here we are. And then we're very thankful to Cebuanos. We're very thankful all the Cebuano be a bucket shrimp lover. And then that's what we're still Shrimpre Lami.
O karon, Shrimpre, dili kompleto ang ato ang morning kung di nato tilawan o magkatunan unsaon pagpreparar sa lamian nga bucket shrimp.
Okay, we'll start with the shrimp, right? You boil the shrimp.
Wow.
And then we have 3 sauce, which is the popular one is the Cajun. We have the garlic butter. And when we have the bagoong curry. We will be using Cajun. So this is the Cajun stuff, right?
So may sikreto nimo si mohang Cajun sauce, Sir Chad, kay mao jud akong paborito dinhi.
Ang secret ana is a secret. So anyway, we saute the stuff with the sauce. So that's the secret there.
O karon, Shrimpre, dili makompleto atong kabuntagon kung di nato tilawan ang lamian nga shrimps dinhi sa bucket shrimp, Sir Chad.
My pleasure. Of course, when you start coming to bucket shrimp, it's not complete when you
Oh, so
have
we have
the
to
bib.
wear this one.
Yeah, we call this life jacket.
Ug Shrimpre, mga kapuso, tilawan na nato ang bucket shrimp, Sir Chad.
Dig in.
Nanghugit ko dinhi. Thank you so much. Sir Chad, nindot kay inyong lugar dinhi sa Lapu-Lapu City. Makapawaw gayon sa kalami, mga kapuso. Super
Shrimpre, wow. We have 5 branches in Cebu, no? We have Capitol, Tisa, Talisay, El Corso, and of course the Mactan Wharf. And then the hours usually it's 11 to 10 o'clock p.m. And then we have all pages in there, and we have a hotline for ordering too. Okay? So please come and visit and to be wow for bucket shrimp. Shrimpre.
Daghang salamat, mga kapuso. See you here sa Bucket Shrimps.
Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.